Quick question. When was the last time you actually went to a store and bought a box of software? You know, the kind with a CD inside that you had to install. Probably not for a long time. That's because the world has moved to a business model that is absolutely dominating the tech industry. It's called SaaS. That means software as a service. But why is every entrepreneur obsessed with it? And how do these companies actually make money? Let's break it down. First, what exactly is SaaS? The simplest way to think about it as music streaming. In the old days, if you wanted to listen to music, you bought a CD. You owned it. If it got scratched, that was your problem. If you wanted a new song, you had to go buy a new one. SaaS is like Spotify. You don't own the music. You subscribe to access the library. The software lives in the cloud, not on your hard drive. You pay a monthly fee, and in exchange, you get access to the latest version instantly from any device. No installation disk, no manual updates. Now you might think, okay, they just charge a monthly subscription. Simple. But successful companies actually have a few different ways they stack their revenue. Let's look at these three specific models. The usage upsell. First, you have the usage upsell. Think about Slack. You can use Slack for free to chat with your team. But once you hit a certain limit, your old messages disappear. If you want to search through your archive from last year, you have to upgrade to a paid plan. They hook you with the utility, and they monetize your need for history and data. The second stream is setup fee. This usually happens with big, complex enterprise software. Imagine a massive company buying HR software like Workday. You can't just click download and start using it. It needs to be integrated with their payroll, their benefit systems, and their security. So, the SaaS company charges a massive one-time onboarding fee to send their engineers and set everything up for you. And the third stream is tiered support. This is common in industries like web hosting. If you are on the cheap $5 plan and your website crashes, you might have to send an email and wait for almost 24 hours for a reply. But if you pay for the enterprise tier, you get a dedicated phone number you can call at 3 a.m. and human answers instantly. They're not just selling the software, they're selling peace of mind. So, why are investors and founders so in love with this model? It comes down to one magic acronym, MRR. That means monthly recurring revenue. In a traditional business, you have to resell to your customer every single time. In SaaS, once you win a customer, they keep paying you every month until they decide to leave. It makes the customer predictable. It makes it scalable. And it increases the value of the company massive amounts compared to traditional sales. SaaS is basically a win-win. The customer gets software that is always up to date without the headache of maintenance, and the business gets a revenue stream that they can bank on. So, are you thinking of starting a SaaS company? Or are you just tired of paying for too many subscriptions? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more breakdowns like this. I will see you soon in the next video. Ta-da!